Welcome to our channel. Today's video is on the top 5 best outdoor reading chair. We have spent hours researching and have carefully chosen these top 5 best outdoor reading chair based on criteria such as quality, cost, and longevity. To find out more information and current pricing, please check the links provided in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews like this. Without further ado, let's begin the video. Number 1. Hanover Ventura Outdoor Patio Recliner. The Hanover Ventura Outside Patio Recliner brings modern comfort and design to your outdoor space. This swivel rocker recliner from the Ventura collection is both fashionable and functional, with its slanted arms and classic meadow upholstery. Heavy-duty, rust-resistant steel is used to construct the frame, and it is powder-coated for added defense against corrosion and ultraviolet light, with a plush feel and quick-drying material coated for better weather and UV protection. The extra-thick cushion is made to provide maximum comfort. The recliner's mechanism is user-friendly, and it comes with an extra cushion for the leg rest. In addition to looking great on your deck, porch, or patio, this high-quality outdoor recliner will hold up well to the elements year after year. We have excellent customer service agents standing by to answer any queries or resolve any problems you may be having. Hanover's Ventura Outdoor Patio Recliner has a sleek, contemporary style that makes it ideal for year-round lounging comfort. Number 2. Ever Advanced Oversize XL Zero Gravity Chair. Enjoy the pinnacle of relaxation with the Ever Advanced Oversize XL Zero Gravity Chair. Indulge in calm and relaxation on a modern olive green metal frame that features a curved, ergonomic shape and is strong and durable enough to handle up to 350 pounds. Lounge in comfort with a fully padded seat and an adjustable padded pillow. The fact that this chair can be folded up and used immediately without any sort of assembly makes it ideal for use in a wide variety of outdoor settings, including by the pool, on patios, in yards, on beaches, and even on balconies. There's a locking mechanism that lets you recline from 0 to 170 degrees, so it's suitable for anyone up to 6 feet and 2 inches tall. The Ever Advanced Oversize XL Zero Gravity Chair will take your comfort and aesthetics to new heights. Relax with the assurance that your decision was the best possible one. Number 3. MacSports Padded Cushion Outdoor Folding Patio Club Chair. Learn what it means to sit in complete relaxation with the Ever Advanced Oversize XL Zero Gravity Chair. Enjoy peace and quiet on a modern, olive green aluminum frame that features an ergonomic, curved form and is robust enough to support up to 350 pounds. The fully padded seat and the movable padded pillow will make your lounging sessions as comfortable as possible. This chair can be folded and unfolded without any tools, making it ideal for use at outdoor gatherings and events on patios, in yards, on beaches, and on balconies. The reclining angle may be locked in place anywhere from 0 to 170 degrees, making it suitable for users as short as 6 feet 2 inches. The Ever Advanced Oversize XL Zero Gravity Chair will provide you with the utmost in comfort and style. You may unwind with complete confidence that your decision is the best possible one. Number 4. Best Choice Products Outdoor Chair. Explore a new dimension of comfort with our Best Choice Products Outdoor Chair. You may relax in style while floating in midair on this modern chaise seat supported by a cantilever made of tempered steel. It's as comfortable on the patio as it is in the living room. All users, regardless of size or weight, will appreciate the added comfort and support provided by the 2-inch thick foam cushions and detachable headrest. It has a retractable polyester shade canopy that measures 46 inches in diameter to shield you from the sun. With a powder-coated steel frame and water-resistant cushions, you can rest assured that it will last for years in any climate. The Best Choice Products Outdoor Chair will provide you with the comfort of a perfectly supported seat. Number 5. Signature Design by Ashley Paradise Chair. Paradise chairs, now available at Signature Design by Ashley, are a welcome addition to any backyard patio. A set of these universally sized swivel lounge chairs will instantly upgrade the look of your patio. These chairs are built to last through all kinds of weather, thanks to the combination of the sturdy metal frame and the hand-woven resin wicker. Wrapped cushions in Novella fabric come in a rainbow of hues, and the chair's wooden-looking armrests and swivel base add to the high-end feel and comfort. With this set, you can furnish your deck, screen patio, or porch with 2 chairs and guarantee a relaxing outdoor experience for 2. Included with the Paradise chairs from Signature Design by Ashley is a matching patio table. This table's resin wicker is handwoven over a sturdy metal frame and tabletop, making it both low maintenance and aesthetically pleasing. Anywhere you decide to set it up, Your chic coffee table will provide the ideal perch from which to take in the sights and sounds of the great outdoors or the comforts of your own home. The Paradise Chair and Table Set by Signature Design by Ashley is now available for purchase and will greatly improve your outdoor space. Thanks for watching. We're glad you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button and share it with your friends. It would be a great help for us. Also, please don't forget to subscribe our channel for latest updates. We value your feedback. Please feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. See you in our next video.